Alright. Bit of fuel anxiety on that bit. So, I hope you don't mind.
No, that's fine, mate. No.
Meeting a man from TUE. How you going?
Good, buddy, good.
Good. I'm Mike, that's my son Jordan.
Hey, Jordan. Hey, mate. How's it going? Good, buddy.
God, that's classic.
I just saved it from the scrap heap and that's the...
We're going Grawin. Yeah, I can't put it down or up. Alright. Bit of fuel anxiety on that bit. So we left Flooding Ridge this morning to go out to Grawin, thinking it wouldn't be too far. Didn't want to go all the way in, I just wanted to put the drone up and get a couple of shots, not invade anybody's privacy or anything. Anyway, we just rode and I don't know what it was, but we just chewed through fuel big to high, had over half a tank. Suddenly we thought I would stop here. We had 2 bars of fuel left. I put the drone up and I couldn't fly it. I could fly it, but it kept saying the gimbal was stuck. No matter what I did, it moves freely by hand, but the drone just would not work. So we're back here, bit of rain starting to happen. We get fuel and go for a walk around town. Catch you later. I think this is the garage of one of the guys on Outback Opal Hunters show. No, we were here a while ago and he had some really cool structures put up in the air, but oh dog, go away. He had like a Predator statue made out of steel. And it doesn't seem to be there anymore. He's got some crazy contraptions things, that's for sure. What's that one? Pete Cook, that's him. There you go, mate. Where's your Predator one gone?
Alien and Predator, I sold.
Oh, really? He was there. We were here 4 years ago and I couldn't believe it. It was awesome. You sold it? Oh, didn't you? No. Oh.
I got sick of telling people I did.
So you sold it? Oh, good stuff, mate. Who makes all this stuff then? Who makes all this then?
Yeah, this is all my
Oh,
stuff, yeah.
I've got the camera on, hope you don't mind.
No, that's fine, mate, no.
Meeting a man from TUE. How you going?
Good, buddy, good.
Good, good. I'm Mike, that's my son Jordan.
Hey, Jordan. Hey, mate, how's it going? Good, buddy.
Yeah, we did this trip 4 years ago.
Oh, okay,
He was on his learners on a KLX250.
Right.
Flat out at 100 k's an hour.
Would have been in the next street back.
I knew it was one of these side ones.
Yeah, yeah. Probably 2 years ago I moved to here.
Ah, righto.
There's another big shed, and I had the Alien and Predator on the bus.
The bus, that's right, the big bus, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, well I did have them up here for a while, but just got sick and tired of explaining to people that they weren't mine. So this is all going to be a mini golf course and sculpture park.
Oh, really?
Come and spend a couple of hours and have a look around and get an ice cream and a coffee. And
Yeah.
everything.
You're still, you're not opal mining anymore?
Oh, I just turn things off.
Yeah,
Just shut it down for a while.
yeah.
The opal's been there for millions of years. If it's got my name on it, it'll still be there in 6 months' time.
Yeah. Oh, that's awesome, mate.
So yeah, I'll have a bit of fun.
Yeah, so you just tinker around with this all the time now?
This is what I do. This is my full-time job. Yeah. You can come in and have a look. Just
Oh, that'd be awesome.
trip over in it. Okay, mate.
I'll just turn the camera off and that.
Let's turn these spotlights on.
Oh my god. Wow. Lie detector.
Lightning region.
Oh man, what a setup. Unbelievable, mate.
Yeah, it's not quite what you expect inside,
No. Wow.
Yeah, this will just be the reception area. Come in and get a coffee and an ice cream or something and
Yeah.
have a look around at the cabinets of curiosities.
Yeah. Where do you get it all from?
Oh, just some of it I've made, some of it, just collect it, junk shops, second-hand places, just
Shit, is it? It's a bit.
stuff that's. I've always liked my motorcycles.
Yeah, me too.
You can pick what that one is.
Well, it looks like a BMW motor, but I don't know the rest of it.
It's a Russian copy of a 56 BMW.
Okay.
So it's basically a Euro.
Oh yes, which had the sidecar most of them, didn't it?
Well, the new ones all do, yeah. They still make them, but this is a pretty early version.
With knobbies on it.
Yeah.
Wow. What year would it be then?
That's actually 1968.
Oh, okay.
Your nipper, they call them. 50 truck.
Oh my god.
That worked. So yeah, that's just a bit of fun.
Mine is even. Set somebody off.
Oh yeah, it's just motion sensitive.
How long do you think it'll take till it's all done?
How long is a piece of string?
Yeah, I'd love to think I'm ready for the public in another 3 or 4 months.
Oh,
That'd be good. Yeah. I'm getting close. It's just down to getting more materials to make a few more greens and then just actually assemble it. Master's the 18th hole. You walk in the front.
Oh, really? What's this one going to be?
Oh, that's a giant version of the mousetrap game.
Oh, yeah.
The balls will go in the bucket and you'll lie in the handle and it kicks the bucket and the balls go up and in the bathtub and around.
Yeah.
Like the agitator, I'll have it so you put the golf balls into the little agi while it's spinning around.
Unbelievable, mate.
Just goofy stuff like that.
Goodness me. I can see those are tracks, that's about all.
Yeah, excavator tracks and
Unbelievable.
pieces of, drive-in moving theatre.
God, that's classic.
She's got the little boy.
Instead of the
Hiroshima bomb. It's got
instead of
mustard gas. It's got a Black & Decker Gatling gun.
instead of fat boy, it's got the. Oh wow. Wow, it's awesome. Like an old World War One machine though, was it? Or was it an agricultural type thing?
It's just a Bristol garden tractor.
Okay.
Had a 4-cylinder Austin motor in it.
Next,
But, I
next
just saved it from the scrap heap and thought I'd make something weird out of it.